Hello, we are going to learn how to calculate a perimeter of a rectangle from level of math for all. How to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Before we try to find the perimeter of rectangle, first of all, you have to understand what do you mean of rectangle. The rectangle contains four sides, two long sides, two short sides. The long side is called as length, short side is called width. Two long sides is always equal in length. The two short sides, the width, is always equal in size of the length. So the thing is, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, in general, you have length 1, width 1, length 2, and width 2. So the thing is, you need to sum up all four, two lengths and two widths. That eventually give us the perimeter of a rectangle. Here, if you apply that information and put it into a formula, perimeter represented as a P, then that is nothing but 2 times of length plus width. Why we are using 2 times length plus width? Because the lengths are same in size, widths are in same in size. Instead of putting length plus width plus length plus width plus length, we see 2 times of the length and 2 times of width. That is nothing but 2 times of length plus width. That gives the perimeter of a rectangle. Here is the rectangle. The longest side of the rectangle, we call it as a length. The shortest side of the rectangle, we call it as a width. So to find a perimeter of rectangle, we have to make sure that we have 2 times of length plus width. That is a formula, that is a P. So in this case, if you look here, the length of the rectangle, that is one side, is also equivalent to other side of the length. So the thing is, both the sides of the rectangle, the lengths are same. At the same time, the width from both the sides of the width also same. So in general, if you add this length, this width, and this length and this width also gives the perimeter. But however, the lengths are same. That's what we are trying to do is we are trying to multiply with 2. So in general, 2 times length and 2 times width. If we add sum them, that is a perimeter of a rectangle. Let's try to solve a simple problem here. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 10 meters and width of 6 meters? So the problem is to find the perimeter of a rectangle where the length is 10 meters and the width is 6 meters. So in this problem, what is the perimeter of a rectangle with the length of 10 meters and width of 6 meters? How to solve this problem? First of all, we have to make sure that the formula for perimeter of rectangle, P is nothing but, as we discussed previously, is 2 times of length plus width. In this case, the 10 meters of length and 6 meters of width. So let's see how we can apply this formula and solve this problem. For the given problem, the length is 10 meters and the width is 6 meters. For a formula for a perimeter of a rectangle, P is nothing but 2 times of length plus width. So to substitute the values of the length and width, that is nothing but 10 and 6 in the given formula, P is nothing but 2 times of 10 plus 6, that is nothing but 2 times of 16. 2 times of 16 is nothing but 32. Let's revisit the whole problem and the solution over here. So we are trying to find the perimeter of a rectangle where the length is 10 meters and the width is 60 meters. And our formula of a perimeter of a rectangle is nothing but 2 times of length plus width, that is 2 times of 10 plus 6, that is nothing but 2 times of 16, that is 32. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 32 meters. I hope you all got this one, how to solve this one and try other problems. Let's give a try to find a perimeter of a rectangle with the different lengths here. Okay, I'm going to give a problem to you and see if we can solve this problem on your own. So in this problem, the rectangle's length is 8 meters and width is 4 meters. Then find the perimeter of the rectangle. Good luck. Please share your comments, subscribe, like, level up for math for all, and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.